Hey, I'm James with PNW Outdoor Reviews, the channel for honest and simple reviews. And I'm out here today reviewing these 10x42 binoculars. I'm going to start off by saying I have no idea how to pronounce the name, and I'm not even going to attempt it. So there's the box so you can see it, and there's the name. Like I said, I'm not even going to attempt that. I really wish these companies would put names that the average Joe could pronounce, or at least try to. So these were sent to me about a couple weeks ago, and I've been out here a few times testing them out. And the perfect comparable I've had to these has been these Vortex 10x42 Diamondbacks, which I absolutely love these binoculars for, you know, an affordable, decent $200+ pair. It's worth every penny. Crystal clear, and they just work. They do their job as binoculars. So I was kind of intrigued when a more budget-friendly $50 pair of binoculars were sent to me. And I'll tell you right now, I'm actually very impressed. Okay. I had no hopes for these binoculars at all. I've been sent binoculars in the past, and I ended up just throwing them away. So when I got these, they're actually pretty close to those Diamondbacks. No joke. Now, when I'm comparing, let's say, you know, the clarity, you know, how well the color kind of shines through in the distance, the Diamondbacks, you know, the Vortex still has the better glass, which I figured it would. You know, Vortex makes some fantastic glass for an affordable price. But these still work. I mean, I can still see exactly what I'm looking at in the distance, you know, but it's just if we're comparing apples to apples here, yeah, the clarity isn't as crisp compared to the Vortex. But these guys, I'm really happy with. I would happily spend $50 on these binoculars, you know, just to have a backup pair in the truck or something like that, you know, just in your backpack, wherever you may keep your smaller pair of binoculars. But they come with everything other premium binoculars come with. So it has the built-in lens caps here in the front, which I wish they had a little tab on the top because you really kind of got to pick at them to get them out. Of course, it comes with these guys as well. And just like all the other features, these caps extend out. So you can really, you know, again, keep the light out so you can really see what you're looking at. Of course, your adjustment up top. You can put the tripod adapter and screw that into the front right there just by removing this cap. Comes with the neck strap. It also comes with the case for it as well, which also has a strap that you can carry it in, so if you want to keep it in the case. And it also comes with a cell phone adapter. So if you want to use your cell phone with these binoculars, it actually comes with the adapter so that you can hook that up. So, and of course it comes with a cleaning cloth and yeah, so all the basic stuff, but at least it comes with it. You don't have to pay extra for any of that. The cell phone, you know, adapter is kind of an added bonus. I don't know if I'll ever use it, but still, I don't have to buy one. So that's kind of nice. But yeah, guys, I mean, overall, I said when it comes to the clarity and the comparison between this and the Vortex, this is worth $50 in my opinion. This is, yeah, I would say, you know, if you don't have the money to spend, you know, let's say $200+ for the Diamondbacks, this is a really good option to hold you over until maybe you do want to get a better pair in the future. But yeah, like I said, guys, I'll leave a link to the, if you're interested, their Amazon page, if you're interested in them, that'll be a description. That's up to you. But yeah, I'm happy I got them. So thanks, guys. I appreciate you so much for checking out the video. It truly means the world to me for you guys who take the time to watch these reviews, to become subscribers. It's awesome. So thank you so much for watching, and I want you to have a great day.